Good morning, Carlos from NVSAUDIO. We're fixing more stupid here. Got this beautiful Jeep Wrangler JKU dropped off to us to go over it, make sure the wiring's correct before we do the Alpine 9-inch Restyle and a couple other things. Check out what we found. We got some cheap 0-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire, and then they drilled a hole into the body of the Jeep to run it inside, which is not necessary. You do a lot of these. There is absolutely no reason to have to do that. Then look at the self-tapping bolt that they use for the wire tie down. And look at that connection. I bet you if I pull on it, it comes apart. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh wow, look at that, 2 fingers. That's not good. Cheap RCAs for the amplifier. Then they blasted self-tapping screws through the floor. Yep, I can feel them. They're coming out of the bottom of the body of the Jeep. There they are right there, blasted through the floor of the Jeep. And it looks like they missed with the first one. Had some power door lock actuators installed. And there's all the cabling exposed. Drilled a hole in the side of his dashboard for his USB. So of course, like I showed you before, they blasted holes through the floor. And they're coming out the bottom, and you can see the screws right there. But now that we get more into it, through the floor, 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 through the... That was not even holding anything. Wow. So disrespectful. Okay, still working on the black Mamba Jeep. We found more stupid. You're not gonna believe this one. So Leo tried to remove the seat and he couldn't. So we look under and they decided to be nice and neat with a nice little neat fuse block. And then they screwed it to the seat. So the fuses come out with the seat. Oh my God. They blasted some more holes through the floor on this side. Terrible. Look at this, just held on with double-sided tape.